How to make Keto Sage Rubbed Salmon. The ingredients: 4 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons fresh sage, minced, 3 teaspoons fresh garlic, minced, 12-ounce salmon, 250-gram green cabbage, thinly sliced, 1/4 medium yellow onion, chopped, 1/4 teaspoon thyme, salt and pepper to taste. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 375 F. 2. Combine the seasonings in a bowl: olive oil, fresh sage, garlic, salt, and pepper. Stir to combine well. 3. Rub this onto the salmon fillet. 4. Cut the salmon into smaller pieces. 5. In a pan over medium heat, add the olive oil. Add salmon and let cook for 5 minutes in the pan. 6. Transfer to the preheated oven and let cook for about 10 minutes or until the salmon starts to get flaky. 7. Cook the cabbage with olive oil, chopped onion, thyme, minced garlic, salt, and pepper over medium heat. Stir to combine well and let cook for about 6 to 8 minutes or until tender. 8. Serve the cabbage with the salmon. Enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 3 servings of Keto Sage Rubbed Salmon. Each serving comes out to be 422 calories, 32.1 grams fat, 4.3 grams net carbs, and 26.4 grams protein. If you want to get a custom keto diet made up for you, just click on the link in the description below for more recipes.